All right, guys, so we're doing a new type of vocabulary. So here's what you're going to do. First of all, up at the top, right here where I just clicked, you want to click scribble because that will allow you to just draw anywhere. And then you're going to put a number because I asked you to write, I think 3 or 4 words, I can't remember. You want to tell me and kind of separate the pictures. So here's where my first picture is going to be. Okay? And my first picture, I'm going to try to draw the word abide. Now, what you should do is make sure that you remember which words you tried to draw so that when I guess them, you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. And remember what order they went in. So my first one's going to be abide. So I'm going to draw a person following the law because he's abiding. This is my person, and he's stopping, and he got a check because he followed the law. Now, let's say I don't like a part of my picture because I just drew. I used the scribble to draw. Now, if I don't want a part of my picture in there, I'm going to click select, and I will click on one of the lines. I'll click on any one of the lines, and to delete it, I just click delete on my computer. As long as it's on, delete that line. All right? So now that is your job. And remember, you need to remember your words, write them down somewhere or something, because during the day I am going to comment on the publicly. I'm going to write your name and I'm going to say, let's say Jaden. Jaden, is your word this? And remember, they have to be from this week's vocabulary, so I'm going to post the vocabulary in the comments, in the directions. So use one of those, use some of those 12 vocabulary, maybe there's 11. Use some of those, and you're going to draw your vocabulary words. Not all of them, just 4, but make sure they're not from yesterday. So if you used these 4 words yesterday, don't use those same words. You want to work with all of the words before the test. So just work with new words and draw them out and separate each drawing with a little line. This way I know there are 3 or 4 separate drawings, all right? Have a good time.